नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज JVN डॉक्टर मीनाक्षी सोनी, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ होम्योपैथिक रिपर्टरी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर, डिजिटल वर्जन 2.0. Today's our topic is alteration of the state of health, BTPP, sixth section. Alteration of the state of health means aggravation and amelioration. That is, another name is modalities. Modalities means factor those affected the complaint or the body. These factors are two type. First is aggravation, second is amelioration. As per the Boningason, he included these modalities in the section number 6, alteration of the state of health. And these alteration because of some circumstances, because of some situations, because of some time. So this first is the aggravation according to the time. As per the Boningason, some time are the factor for the aggravation of the disease. So he include aggravation according to the time. Second, aggravation according to situation and circumstances. Some situations affect the complaint, and these situations are the cause of the disease or cause of the symptom development. Some circumstances also aggravate the condition. So these circumstances included in the alteration in the state of health aggravation. Amelioration, some complaints of the patient are ameliorate means decrease by position, by circumstances. So this is the amelioration or the decreasing the problem by the position and circumstances. As in some of other former section, Allen has removed the heading of the subsections and left but two aggravation and amelioration put on this book. However, under aggravation, we find the same general arrangement as in the old edition, the time aggravation coming first. फर्स्ट आपको जो भी टाइम के जो एग्रावेशन है टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग वो सारे के सारे मिलेंगे. देन अल्फाबेटिकली दोज एग्रावेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू सिचुएशन एंड सर्कमस्टेंसेस आपको मिलेंगे. The section aggravation cover a number of conditions, while the section devoted to the amelioration is comparatively too small. Because ये ऐसा इसलिए हुआ, पेशेंट कभी भी जब आता है तो वो इस पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देता है कि उसकी तकलीफ बढ़ किससे रही है. हनीमैन हो, बॉनिंगहसन हो, उन्होंने वही अपने बुक्स में, अपने रेपर्टरीज में इंक्लूड किया है जो पेशेंट से उन्हें मिला है, जो प्रूविंग से उन्हें मिला है, जो टॉक्सिकोलॉजी से उन्हें मिला है. स्पेशली जो रेपर्टरी है उसमें प्रूविंग, टॉक्सिकोलॉजी एंड क्लिनिकल एक्सपीरियंस इंक्लूडेड है. सो एग्रावेशन के ऊपर पेशेंट का फोकस ज़्यादा रहता है. पेशेंट जब भी आता है तो वो यही ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन करता है कि कैसे उसकी तकलीफ बढ़ती है, किस सर्कमस्टेंसेस में, किस सिचुएशन में, किस टाइम में उसकी तकलीफ बढ़ती है. दैट्स वाई हमें एग्रावेशन की कंडीशन ज़्यादा मिलती है और एमिलियोरेशन की कंडीशन जो रहेगी एज कम्पेयर टू एग्रावेशन थोड़ी सी कम मिलती है. इसलिए ये एमिलियोरेशन का जो चैप्टर है वो स्मॉल है. Aggravation much more often reported by the patient than amelioration. They were much more apt to report it by the provers of the remedies because they were much stronger, therefore more noticeable. Aggravation that were produced by remedy were a reaction of the remedy and therefore reported as such. Amelioration of a condition was sought when the comfort of prover was so generally disturbed as to necessitate relief and was not so often reported as having a definite relationship to the remedy being proven. However, we are often forced to make use of the contrary condition in selecting our rubrics from the Allen edition. For Boninghausen in his early edition had more rubrics under amelioration. Allen often deleted these rubrics and put them in under aggravation to of contrary state. Thus, the rubric amelioration heat has been recorded aggravation cold. In some cases, it was necessary to enlarge the rubric, make it more general by the addition of more remedies in order to cover both modalities comprehensively. So the topic is completed now. Thank you. Hope you are understand the topic aggravation and amelioration or the alteration in the state of the health. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. Thank you.